Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sick Sister Always Miss Me, chapter 12. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to the story. Julian and Wenchao. Wenchao seems to be surprised that Julian was there. Julian moved closer to her. It's like she's really missing her. Right now, Julian is friend since she was ignored. She feels so strange. Sister Sue, your sister, I deliver it to you. She drank a lot tonight. Take good care of her. And then I will go back first. Oh, it seems that she was really a good friend of Julian. Well, for now, looking at it, Wen Chao said to her, thank you. If there's any other time, just call me directly and I will pick her up. Now, go back and go home. Well, Wen Chao, she seems to be happy. Of course, Julian came back. Now, Julian was her. Sister, you lie here first. I will get you a glass of water and you take a hangover pill before going to sleep. Right now, Wenchao, she was really worried about Julian. That's why she's been taken care of. Oh, this girl, after lying on the bed, suddenly fell asleep, covered herself up. Well, she must be tired and drunk. For Wenchao, of course, she was really happy. But finally, Julian, she really came back. After some hours, Julian get up and drink some water. Julian suddenly opened her eyes gently. Well, looking at her, it seems to be she was still sleepy. Right now, Wenchao is calling her. Are you here to pick me up? Oh, Julian. Right now, she's not in her mind. She thought herself that the story came back before. When I was in college, I often went out for dinner because of my status as a student union minister. At the end of each session, Yu Wenchao would come to pick me up. Oh, of course, little sister was always worried at her. After a long time, someone began to inquire about Su Wenchao's identity. Julian, who is this girl? Is your sister? No, we have known each other since childhood, but in this strange city, I would always subconsciously hide her sisterly. After long talk, Julian said to her, you're shining. I fooled her to stop in the dilapidated alley to see her wearing my favorite clothes. Oh, back then, what is Julian thinking? But, back to the story now. Use the power of wine. Then, well, I really hugged her, even though she was not really drunk. Oh, did she mean that? Did she really fall in love with Wenchao before? Or she was only restraining her feeling? She forced her to bite the hem of the skirts and keep it still, and waiting for her to cry. Oh, what a little cruel she is. But it was long time ago. It's like the two of them is really adult right now. Sister, please tease me. Wenchao is asking her until Su Wenchao speaks out. Well, definitely, she has some needs too. Back then, it was really strange for them. Unspeakably, he could not help but blame all these feelings on her temptation. Well, Julian, back then, of course, she was really hesitating. In the end, this drunken pulls out and pulls become a tacit and silent secrets between us after we sober up. Sister, please take the medicine. Well, right now. Julian, it seems to. She was always close by Wenchao, especially Wenchao. She is really tricky. Sister, why not buy somewhere else? Oh, Wenchao is asking her. And it really makes sense, right? Julian, she seems to be surprised. So Wenchao is always moving closer to her. Now everything is taken care of. She slid her hands towards her and suddenly kissed her gently. Oh, this girl. She must be really happy. The two of them are kissing. And Joe said, well, okay. Finally, the two of them have a tacit understanding. But right now, it was next day. After Julian drank so much last night, it was early morning right now. Her phone is really ringing. Well, who could it be? Right now, she already wake up just to answer the phone. Suddenly, seeing Wenchao dressing like that, of course. What's the situation? Now, she don't know what happened last night. Well, looking at her, since she was really drunk, could be that I drank too much last night and could have. Right now, impossible. This is absolutely impossible. Now, Julian, she is really worried about what happened last night since she is seeing dressing like that right now. Well, she kept herself feels puzzled. When Zhao, she was really sleeping well. Seeing her, she got really shy. She wanted to cover her top. She wanted to run away as soon as possible. Suddenly, Wen Zhao, she already awake. She was calling her, "Sister, you're wake up. Well, you go to sleep for a while, and I'll get up first." Oh, this girl. Julian, she really want to avoid Wen Zhao. Looking at her face, she looks really shy, but suddenly, Wen Zhao, at this moment, she hugged her on the back and said to her, "Sister, your nails are so long." Oh, this is it. It turns out, Wen Zhao wanted to tease her so much. Last night, it made me. Oh, since she don't want to hear it. But looking at her face, she really feels agitated, especially right now. Wen Zhao is always teasing her. Was wrong, so don't be angry with me, okay? Oh, Wen Zhao. Of course, always want to trick her, but for Yulian, since she was really kind, of course, she cannot rejected her. Said to her, "You clean up first and I will buy you a breakfast." Now, she really want to hide. But right now, of course, she really can't do it. Well, finally, Wen Zhao, she already sitting on the bed. She was calling elder sister. "Do you forgive me?" Oh, this girl. She is really tricky, right? But she looks really gorgeous. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership's already open. For those who want to support the channel, you can join the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.